So friends, let's see today's mousse-filled chocolate baskets. So I've melted about 100 grams of milk chocolate compound in the microwave. You can also use a double boiler. And I have these silicone, cupcake molds. So I've just poured a little bit of it and I'm just going to swirl the cup so that the chocolate goes all over the cup. This is really very easy to do. But take your time with it and see that every little corner of this mold gets nicely coated with the chocolate. So just keep swirling it round and round till it goes to every little corner, like you can see I'm doing over here. And then it will look like this. And then you got to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. So I made about 6 molds and I refrigerated it. Now in the meantime, let's prepare the mousse. So here I've taken 100 milliliters of fresh cream and I'm just going to whisk this for 5 minutes on a high. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Again, whisk it very well. You can also use a hand whisk. Now I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. So I'm using the Hershey's chocolate syrup just to give it a very light chocolate flavor. Again, I'm going to beat this for another 3 minutes. And once it's done, I'm just going to scrape the sides of the bowl, cover it in some cling foil or plastic foil. You can also just put a plate on top of it, and you're going to put it into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour till the mousse sets. Now our chocolate cups or baskets have nicely set, so I'm just going to demold them. Now the silicone works really very, it's really very easy to handle, and you can see that it comes off really, really easily. Now I did get just 1 broken cup, but I'm just going to put this back into the microwave and again set it. So it's really very easy, so nothing goes to waste. So if any of your cups do break or baskets do break, just put them back into the microwave or on the double boiler and again set them. So in this way, I got about 5 baskets. If you want them thicker, then you can just put another, like once it sets to this point, you can again put it back into the cupcake holder and again put a little layer of chocolate. So now my mousse has nicely set. I'm just going to use my ice cream scooper and I'm just going to fill up these baskets with the mousse. You can use a regular spoon. So I'm just going to fill this up. The mousse itself is so delicious. So I'm trying to get all of that mousse inside. You can also add different flavors. You can use your imagination with the mousse. You can add different flavors and make it yummy. And now I'm just going to swirl it a bit so that it all gets nicely evened out. And again, I'm going to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. Here you can see that the mousse is nice and set after refrigerating it for 30 minutes. And now I'm just going to decorate it with some nutties that I have at home, which resemble small little, eggs. Or you can just decorate them with any kind of edible flowers. Or you can just use your imagination and make them look really pretty. I was just working with whatever I had at home. And now I have these little cupcake holders. So I'm just going to put them into that, make them look even much more pretty. And you have to refrigerate this till you serve it. It is a cold dessert, so you have to serve it chilled. And here you can see the mousse is nice and set. And believe me guys, the mousse is so yummy. I just can't stop having it. It's so delicious. So these are our lovely mousse-filled chocolate baskets. Hope you give this recipe a try.
I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.